Homemade DIY machines are a great way to save money by using inexpensive and reusable materials. Hi guys. This is GadgetAny, and we welcome you to our channel, where we will learn about amazing homemade machines and DIY ideas. DIY has made its way into fashion, gadgets, housing, etc. It uses semi-raw or raw materials to build or invent new materials. So let's get started. Chicken coop. In the first clip, the creator makes a chicken coop with waste motorbike tires. This DIY requires only a few materials: 3 used motorcycle tires, wire nets, a drill, wood for the frame, and iron nails. He cleverly uses trimmed parts of 2 motorcycle tires as end walls. Next he places a wire net over the wooden frame and hammers spare bits of the tire to keep the wire net in place. These strips of rubber are excellent material to protect the chickens. Lastly, fashion a door that swings open cleverly when unlocked. With the use of limited materials and used tires, he was able to construct a chicken coop that would keep the chicks safe and give them enough space to breathe. Homemade portable wood chipper. In the second clip, CYPSMEN demonstrates how to construct a homemade portable wood chipper. The idea behind the drum chipper is to increase productivity and save your money. As demonstrated, this chipper mechanism has ample power from 1100 RPM to 450 RPM. Plus, the blades are also functional and robust. The creator installs a synchronous belt from the central motor to the drive pulley to spin the chipper. This portable wood chipper requires welding, so it is probably advisable to do it under adult supervision if you are younger. DIY strimmer. This DIY strimmer requires welding an angle grinder to an axle before adding a long handle. Plus, he installs lightweight wheels along with washers for smooth handling. This strimmer requires raw and waste materials like galvanized steel wire to modify the angle grinder to trim grass and weeds. You can make this straightforward strimmer instead of investing in a lawnmower. It is a functional and handy strimming grass cutter with a convenient power source. Jet-powered go-kart. If you have watched Fast and Furious and played games like Need for Speed, you must have wanted a vehicle with nitro boost. Double Boost chased that dream and created a jet kart with an afterburner to provide a blast of speed. The creator uses a leaf blower to get the turbine spinning. Although he uses propane as a starting fuel, the go-kart runs on kerosene. The afterburner gives up to 40% more thrust, although it consumes vast amounts of fuel. The heart of the engine is a big diesel turbo, and the maximum speed recorded on this short run was 60 miles per hour. Indeed, we expected more. However, this project promises a lot of potential. So those are the 4 of our favorite homemade machine. What's your favorite? Please leave a comment below. And as usual, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe then share. I'll see you later.